Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about number systems in Korea. And in this video, you're gonna learn 3 things. Number 1, what are number systems in Korean and what the difference is. Number 2, how to pronounce them. Number 3, when to use them. So let's get started. Korean language has 2 sets of number systems. One is Korean, the other one is Chinese system, which is also called Sino system. The reason why we have 2 systems because we share a long history with China from long time ago. So when you hear Chinese system, you can almost recognize they're really similar to real Chinese pronunciation if you're someone who knows Chinese language. So in this page, we're gonna learn from 1 to 10. We're gonna start with Korean column, so you can repeat after me. I'm gonna start with 1. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Since these numbers are pronounced differently from how it's written, I'm gonna show you pronunciation next to it. In the square bracket, I wrote what it's supposed to sound like. Here, you need to pay attention to number 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see something common in these numbers? They all end with S, but they all sound like D. And when you take a look at number 8, you don't pronounce B at the end. You only pronounce R. Now the Chinese column. As I already told you, they sound really similar to real Chinese numbers. Let's start with number 1. Please repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these numbers are pretty straightforward to pronounce each number, so I'm not going to go over the pronunciation. Let's flip to the next page. Now we're gonna learn from 10 to 100. Start with Korean numbers. 열, 스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔. So let's display the pronunciation brackets. In these numbers, I would recommend you to take a look at 70. When you look at how it's written, 일흔, but H is very soft. Almost you don't hear it. So it sounds more like 일흔. And other ones are pretty straightforward. So now let's move to Chinese numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I don't know if you noticed, in Korean system it goes up to 99. So there is no word to pronounce 100, but there is one in Chinese, 100. And as you can see, from 1 to 10 in the previous page for Chinese number, they're all one syllable. In this case, 20 up to 90, it's all 2 syllables. Can you guess why that is? Because Chinese system uses very simple method that it combines the 2 words. When it's 20, it's actually 210. When it's 30, it's actually 310. So everything is combined words. For Korean system, just like English, you need to know each word for the numbers that end with 0. As you can see in Korean system, there are no more numbers above 99. So you can guess that anything above 99, we're gonna use Chinese system. So here is the question that you may have. When do you know to use which system? Since Korean numbers can handle smaller numbers compared to Chinese system, generally speaking, Korean system is used when you count smaller things, and you use Chinese system for the nouns that are counted high. So here is the example. We use Korean system when we talk about hour, counting unit, and age. And on the other hand, we use the Chinese system when we talk about minutes, seconds, year, months, currency, and mathematics. I'm sure I didn't cover everything in this chart, but here is the most important things for you to remember. In the next video, I'm gonna talk about time, so you're gonna see how the hour as Korean number and minute as Chinese number being used. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments, please comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!